Nanubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Hey, for today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Magalang, Pampanga, and we were invited by Jiro.
Yes, Sukiyaki Sushi and Ramen Bar.
So there you have it, guys. If you're just near the area, samahan niyo po kami. Papakita po namin kung ano yung sinaserve nila dito.
So tara, let's go!
Yun, sakto guys, mayroon tayong mga kasamang kakain ngayon. So, that was the volcano roll. According to our orientation with the owner, Jiro daw ang home of the volcano roll. So, dito nagsimula ang volcano roll na yan.
Beef ramen po.
Beef ramen?
Yes po.
So, a little bit of history. Actually, I know Jiro sa Angeles. It started more than 8 years ago. Dito po sa Jiro Magalang, started January of 2022 lang. So, it's just 3 months old. Siguro, let's give a rundown first, no, before natin tikman yung mga pagkain natin dito. So, first off, meron tayong ramen. So, this one is their beef
Ramen.
Yeah.
Yes.
And chakan rice. Meron din tayo.
Meron din tayong bestseller na volcano
Roll.
Sashimi.
Yep.
Meron tayong udon, ebi tempura, yung kanilang dragon roll.
This is the teriyaki.
Chicken teriyaki, yung tantan din, and siyempre yung kanilang sukiyaki.
Sukiyaki, I think. So, tingnan na natin ito, guys. Huwag na natin patagalin.
Wow. So nakaka-excite kumain, lalo na pag mainit-init pa. Ako pinaka-nagustuhan ko dito is yung kanilang sukiyaki.
Is this one?
Yes.
So, just to give you an idea, it's a little bit sweet, it's a little bit salty, and then yung aroma niya, guys, is jam-packed with mga spices.
Yes.
Parang all-in-one na para sa akin, guys.
Lalo-lalo na masarap yung kinakain habang mainit.
Now, if you go for ramen naman, they also have a wide variety or choices ng mga ramen nila. Actually, 188 lang silang lahat.
Yeah.
So, napakamura din.
Same time, yung kanilang mga rolls, talagang napakasarap.
They also have party trays available if you wanna bring this home.
Or gusto nyo lang pampasalubong.
Pampasalubong. Well. Alright, Mark, another Japanese expedition dito sa Magalang. Ako, I'm impressed and nagulat ako dun sa bago nilang sinerve sa atin, which is yung sukiyaki. For me, that's one of the best and you must try if you're gonna go here dito po sa Jiro Magalang. Ayan.
Jiro Magalang is open from 10 AM until 9 PM, Monday to Sunday. Dito lang po siya sa may San Francisco Magalang, just along Angeles Magalang Road. Ang pinaka-landmark po niya is sa likod lang po siya ng Shell gas station.
So guys, if you are into Japanese food and you're near this area, guys, you gotta try out Jiro Magalang. And if you like this video or if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.